Hello everyone, in this video I would like to say some words about sockets. What happened last time when I used my sockets is that I broke one. This is number 17 and number 18. As you can see, they are same diameter, same length, but different socket size. It's 18, and last time, if you can see, I broke that one, and they are very thin, so it makes them very weak. A normal socket 18 looks like this, so obviously bigger diameter, about 2 millimeters. It's difficult to show, but it's obvious different diameters. So and the length is also slightly different. So when you buy socket sets or separate socket, think about the strength. So this one may be useful for some tiny space, but is not good for high torque moment. So this socket is designed for impact loading. It's number 19, and if I compare it with my 10 sockets, this one is 20, so even 19 is thicker than 20. So I don't know how good is shown on the camera, but obviously heavy duty sockets are thicker and stronger. You can compare them looking on this side. So always buy the best tool available for you. I try to save money. Finally go to the shop again and replace my 18 with proper one. So broken and replacement. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.